Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Tips with Kerwin. In today's video I want to quickly show you how to auto-record a meeting in Microsoft Teams. This feature could come in handy if you forget to manually record because when this feature is enabled, Teams will automatically start recording for you when the meeting starts. So here I am in my Teams calendar, which lists the different events scheduled on my agenda. In order to turn on the auto record feature, you must be the organizer of the meeting in question. That is to say, the person who created the meeting invitation. So let me quickly create a meeting. Let's call it test, and I'll invite Christy. After the invitation is sent, click on the meeting and select Edit, and then go into Meeting Options. It opens up in a separate browser window. Then you have to turn on Record Automatically and then click on the Save button at the bottom of the page. Currently, there is no way to configure a policy to auto-record every single meeting. So every time you want to auto-record, you'll have to come into meeting options and then turn on this toggle, okay, for each individual meeting. One last thing to note is that the first person from your organization to join the meeting will trigger the auto record, and if it's a private meeting, then the recording is saved to the OneDrive account of that user. However, as a meeting organizer, you are assigned edit permissions by default, even if the recording was auto started by an attendee. If, as the meeting organizer, you want to be the owner of your private meeting recordings, then I suggest that you change the lobby behavior on this same page. Change who can bypass the lobby to only me. Okay. And of course, you have to click on save at the bottom of the page. All attendees will then have to wait in the lobby until you join and admit everyone. Since you, as the organizer, will be the first person in the meeting, the recording will be saved in your OneDrive. So, there you have it. Now you know how to auto-record meetings in Teams. If it is a channel meeting, then the recording is saved to SharePoint. Let me show you guys a channel meeting which was recorded earlier today in my sales and marketing team. So here is the recording, okay? And within the channel in question, here I am in the general channel. Go to the Files tab, and then you will see a folder called Recordings, okay? This is where meeting recordings are stored for channel meetings. Team owners have full permission, whereas team members have edit permissions. If you find value in this content, please subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. I post videos on a weekly basis. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one.